We are going to do side A together. Number 1, there are 247 children in grade 1, 291 children in grade 2, and 308 children in grade 3. First question, which grade has the most children? Think. Get ready. Yes, grade 3 has the most children, so we'll write that in. Which grade has the fewest children? Think. Get ready. Yes, grade 1. The next question, how many children are there in grades 1 and 2 all together? So we don't need the information in grade 3 anymore. So we're going to add 247 for grade 1 and 291 for grade 2. We're going to complete our number sentence and find the answer. 7 and 1 is 8. 9 and 4, 13. Have enough to trade for a dime. 5. So our answer is 538 children. And then make sure you always fill it in the answer spot. Number 2. I have 1 quarter, 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 1 penny. Draw the coins. Be sure to label them. My first one, I have a Q for quarter, 2 dimes, 3 nickels, and 1 penny. If you'd like, you can label above each one. I'll cut down on errors. And then we'll count our money. 25, 35, 45, 50, 55, 60, 61. How much money do I have? Write the amount 2 ways. 61 cents. Then you're going to write it in the dollar format. Dollar sign. Put the 0 to represent we don't have any dollars. Decimal point, separate the dollars from the cents. And 61. Number 3. Measure each side of the rectangle in problem 2 using centimeters. Find the perimeter. Now remember, the perimeter is when you add all the sides together. Just like Miss Taylor's bulletin board in the classroom when we did the borders around the rectangle. If I were to measure, actually I'm going to erase a little bit of this because it's getting a little confusing. So if I were to measure the perimeter, this would be 8 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 8 centimeters, and 2 centimeters. So my number sentence will be 8 centimeters plus 2 centimeters plus 8 centimeters plus 2 centimeters. 8 and 2 is 10, 10 and 10 is 20, so our perimeter is 20 centimeters. Next problem, show 7:29 on both clocks. 7 is the hour, 29 is the minutes. Your hour hand, let's see if I can make this bigger, yes. Your hour hand is going to be almost in between the 7 and the 8. And your minute hand, a lot of times it's easier to start with the arrow. It's kind of hard on this board. And it's going to be the minute before the 6. And there is 7:29. Number 5. Which unit of measure is best for telling how much a dog would weigh? Ounce, quart, foot, or pound? Think. Get ready. Yes, pound. Number 6, we're going to find the answers. 2 and 8 is 10. I can trade for a dime, leaves no pennies. 7 plus 1 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 3 is 5. Your answer should be 590. We are dealing with money. 8 and 4 is 12. You have enough to trade for a dime. 9 and 3 is 12. Same thing. Trade for a dime. Go ahead and bring that decimal down. 1 and 1 is 2, plus 2 is 4, and bring down your dollar sign. Your answer is $4.22. And when we're doing these, feel free to pause the screen and work them out beforehand, and then check your answers. Now we have moved to subtraction. It's always important to pay attention. They will try to trick you. All right, if I had 5 apples, I can't take away 6 from 5, so I'm going to have to go next door and borrow. So I'm going to borrow 1, that leaves 6. Bring my dime over to the penny side, which turns into 10 pennies. Plus it also looks like 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. 6 minus 3 is 3. 39. And the last problem, I can take 3 from 6. That leaves 3. And 4 minus 2 equals 2. So you should have gotten 23. All right, great job, everyone.